Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error connecting to server on Omegle on your iPhone. So sometimes when you try to video chat on Omegle or to chat on Omegle, you get the error connecting to server, which is quite annoying. So let's try it right now. Tap on video, check these boxes, confirm and continue, allow access to my camera and microphone, and as you see error connected to server, please try again. Let's tap on new chat. And again, the error keeps popping up, and it's very annoying. Now there's a way to fix that. So just tap the link in the description or in the pinned comments, and this will redirect you to NordVPN. Now NordVPN is a great VPN which lets you, which fixes the error connecting to server. Please try again. So when you tap the link in the description or in the comments, you get an insane discount of nearly 70%, and you get up to 3 months for free for only a bit more than $3 or €3 per month. So basically NordVPN is the best VPN in the game when you compare this to ExpressVPN, Private VPN, Proton VPN, and Pure VPN. As you can see, you can read it yourself, pause video maybe. And when you install this VPN, you get a 30-day money back guarantee. So basically you can just refund your money after or before 30 days, and then you bought the VPN completely for free. You can chat on Omegle completely for free, and that's so nice because you can just get your money back very easily. They don't ask you questions, and it works perfectly fine. There are free VPNs out there, but they don't work on Omegle because they work a bit differently compared to the paid VPNs, such as a NordVPN. So click the link in the description or in the pinned comments and just get this VPN if you want to be on Omegle. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.